Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Face of Hind. Face of Hind, a blog for self-improvement.
How to deal with social media in terms of self-improvement. Social media has become a powerful tool in today's life, with the ability to connect people, share information, and influence public opinion. Here are some ways in which social media has impacted society. 1. Communication. Social media has revolutionized communication by providing a platform for individuals to connect with friends, family, and people from around the world. It has also made it easier for people to stay in touch with others and share information in real time. 2. Information sharing. Social media has made it easier for individuals and organizations to share information and ideas with a wider audience. It has also enabled citizen journalism and provided a platform for marginalized voices to be heard. 3. Marketing and business. Social media has become a powerful marketing tool for businesses, allowing them to reach potential customers and build brand awareness. It has also created new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small businesses to reach a wider audience. 4. Entertainment. Social media has become a major source of entertainment, with the ability to share and consume photos, videos, and other content in real time. 5. Social movements. Social media has played a major role in driving social movements, such as the #MeToo movement and the Black Lives Matter movement. It has provided a platform for individuals to organize, share their stories, and raise awareness about important issues. Overall, social media has had a significant impact on society, transforming the way we communicate, share information, and connect with others. Its power and influence will only continue to grow in the years to come. Impact of social media in self-growth. Social media can have both positive and negative impacts on youth development and improvement. Here are some ways in which social media can potentially impact self-growth. 1. Self-reflection. Social media can provide a platform for individuals to reflect on their own beliefs, values, and experiences. This can help them gain insight into themselves and develop a deeper understanding of their own identities. 2. Exposure to diverse perspectives. Social media can expose individuals to diverse perspectives and ideas from around the world. This can broaden their horizons, challenge their assumptions, and encourage them to think critically. 3. Inspiration. Social media can provide inspiration in the form of motivational quotes, stories of personal triumph, and examples of success. This can encourage individuals to set goals and work towards self-improvement. 4. Connection with others. Social media can provide a sense of connection and community with others who share similar interests or goals. This can provide emotional support, encouragement, and accountability in the pursuit of self-growth. 5. Increased awareness. Social media can help young people become more aware of social and environmental issues. This can inspire them to become more active in advocating for change and making a positive impact in their communities. 6. Educational opportunities. Social media can provide access to online educational resources, such as webinars, podcasts, and tutorials. This can help young people learn new skills and improve their academic performance. 7. Career opportunities. Social media can provide a platform for young people to showcase their skills and talents, network with professionals, and explore career opportunities. However, it's important to note that social media can also have negative impacts on self-growth, such as social comparison, unrealistic expectations, and addiction. It's essential for individuals to use social media mindfully, set healthy boundaries, and prioritize real-life connections and experiences in their pursuit of self-growth. Identify negativity on social media. Negativity on social media can take various forms, including hate speech, cyberbullying, spreading false information, and personal attacks. Here are some ways to identify negativity on social media. 1. Look for derogatory language. Negative posts often contain derogatory or inflammatory language. Words or phrases that are intended to demean or insult individuals or groups of people are a clear sign of negativity. 2. Check the tone. Negative posts often have a confrontational or aggressive tone. If the tone of a post is accusatory or hostile, it's likely to be negative. 3. Pay attention to the context. Negative posts are often shared in response to controversial or contentious topics. If the post seems to be stirring up controversy or inciting a reaction, it may be negative. 4. Look for personal attacks. Negative posts often involve personal attacks on individuals or groups. If the post singles out an individual or group for criticism or ridicule, it's likely to be negative. 5. Check the sources. Negative posts may come from sources that have a history of spreading false information or promoting divisive content. If the post comes from an unreliable source, it may be negative. 6. Monitor your own emotions. If a post makes you feel angry, upset, or defensive, it may be negative. Pay attention to your own emotional response and consider whether the post is promoting positivity or negativity. Overall, negativity on social media can be harmful and hurtful. If you come across negative content, it's important to stay calm, evaluate the content critically, and respond in a constructive way if necessary. To watch more articles like this, stay on our blog. Comment your query related to this article and about any topic for upcoming article. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.